Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. You see that big pile of drywall right there? We're finally getting to it. It is almost the end of February now. It's over halfway through with the month. This is supposed to be like a Christmas present that my parents were kind of getting for my kids. My kids wanted a playhouse and all that. Long story short, everything got busy, and then it got busier, and then it got busier. So we're gonna try to get the drywall up today. No, I know I'm not gonna get the mud done. I just want to get the drywall, you know, just cut, nailed up, all that good stuff. We're gonna do these walls right here all the way around, and then we're just gonna do that little ceiling part. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, okay. We're gonna do the little ceiling part all the way around, just like that. We decided to leave the ceiling like that because Simply Sally and my little girls decided that they wanted to put the you know, the LED light strips you get on Amazon. They change colors and all that stuff. They got the remote with them. We're gonna put those up there or something. And I am going to put a light up and all that, but that's going to be later. Like I said, today, I'll be happy if we just get this stuff on the walls. I figure it'll take a day for this, and it'll probably take me a day to mud it and everything. Then we got to paint it, then we got to do the flooring, but let's go ahead and get started on this drywall. Enough talking. What did you guys think? I'd say it was pretty productive considering I haven't done drywall in going on 10 years now, maybe, something like that. 2012. I don't know. 8 to 10 years I've not done drywall. So after we get all this done, we're gonna mud it, or I'm gonna mud it, and then I gotta sand it and paint it, and then we're gonna do the floors. And I gotta drill a like an exhaust vent up there. There's a receptacle there. If you've not watched the other videos, put an air conditioner unit there. Like I said, we're putting the ceiling fan where that little box is. We're gonna leave the ceiling like that, put the LEDs up. If you were wondering about those sections right there that don't have anything on them, we're gonna put we're gonna put molding around the windows, and we're gonna put crown molding all the way around like that. So I'm not really worried about that so much, you know, because it's gonna be covered up by molding. Door, same thing. I'm showing you my chest, not the door. The door's gonna be the same thing. We're gonna put molding all around that. So I kind of don't really care about the details of it because, like I said, I'm putting molding around it to cover up. So here comes my little girl. She's gonna be she's making her appearance like she does in all my videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you in a couple of days when I'm mudded. Let's go. the paint finished up, and we got the floor finished today. And I didn't record this, but I went ahead and mounted the ceiling fan, and I got the air conditioner, and I ran the line out the back and used a dryer vent. And then I ran a drainage line as well, because this thing was sucking up a lot of moisture. It's actually filling up every day, and so I just put a drain line out there so it won't fill up with water. It'll just drop it all out the back. But got the paint finished up, and the flooring turned out really nice as well. I did all this in one day, so that gives you an idea how fast you can do this stuff. It doesn't take too much time. This is a 12 by 12 room too. The next step is, the reason I left the wood like that, we're gonna put molding around the windows. I'm gonna paint the inside of this white, but we're putting molding around the windows. We're gonna put the base molding around, and the shoe molding on that, molding around that, molding around this, and we're gonna do crown molding all the way around. And then those exposed pieces of wood right there, we're actually gonna put molding on that as well. That'll be kind of the last step, and we have flashing on order. I don't have a bender, so I'll just order the flashing, because I don't know if you guys have ever looked, but benders are, you know, 1,500 bucks or something. I can order flashing for this whole house. It was less than $200, so that's reasonable, because all I gotta do is get it out of the box and put it on. That was everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. The molding and flashing will be in the next video, so you can stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.